Welcome to our exciting IPTV journey today. Let's discover how 2TV.store stands out. If you want the best IPTV, stay tuned. App Pro transforms your streaming experience dramatically. You'll enjoy a massive selection of channels. Next, we'll go through the IPTV player guide. Start by downloading the App Pro IPTV app. Create your account with a few simple steps. Next, log in to access your channels. Now it's time to explore the channel lineup. You'll find everything from news to sports. The interface is easy and very user-friendly. Let's check out some customizable features next. Change the layout to suit your viewing style. Remember, fast streaming is essential for fun. 2TV.store offers lightning-fast streaming speeds. Now, let's talk about excellent customer support. Reliable support is vital for great user experience. Are you excited to start watching right now? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our community for more IPTV insights and ring the bell for notifications too. Start your streaming adventure with App Pro today. Thanks for watching. Happy streaming, everyone.